Hello, I am Junsong Park, the presenter of Biomedical Mechanical Engineering final term presentation. I will present the coronavirus negative diagnostic kit, NegaCov. The first is design scheme. In the PCR process, extracted RNA is synthesized into cDNA. Next, as the primer of target gene. In this process, I choose 4 primers for genes that don't exist in humans, but only in coronavirus, and 1 primer for genes that exist in both humans and coronavirus. I will explain the reason later. It then conducts multiple RT-PCR for the 5 genes to amplify the RNA. For the real-time detection stage, use a silicon nanowire with an exclusive receptor. The amplified RNA sticks to the receptor of the silicon nanowire. The reaction can determine whether the RNA is amplified or not because it changes the current flowing in the nanowire. The following results are as follows. While the existing coronavirus diagnostic kit takes about 6 hours, the NegaCov test time is 4 hours in total. You can expect a 1/3 reduction in time. The shorter inspection time allows more people to be diagnosed. Also, the number of self-isolated people will certainly decrease as more suspected patients will be diagnosed. This will prevent social paralysis and help boost the economy. The following are the effects of reducing equipment defect. Because of adequacy of target gene, existing diagnostic kit has not been determined which protocol is the best. Also, there are many errors caused by sample suitability or faculty equipment. The NegaCov allows you to diagnose negative patients quickly and accurately in the following ways. Gene 1 to gene 4 is a gene that does not exist in human but only in the coronavirus. And Gene 5 is a virus that exists in the both humans and coronavirus. If someone is not infected, gene 1 to gene 4 must be negative, and gene 5 must be positive under normal diagnosis. Suspected patient 1 is a normally diagnosed non-infected person because gene 1 to gene 4 show negative reaction, and gene 5 shows positive reaction. Suspected patient 2 is a normally diagnosed infected person because gene 2 and gene 5 show positive reaction. However, suspected patient 3 and patient 4 have some trouble. In normal condition, gene 5 must show positive reaction. However, they show negative reaction in gene 5. In this case, the test equipment or sample may be judged to be problematic and they need retest. This way, we'll be able to increase the accuracy of NegaCov and reduce the number of self-isolated people, and we can increase the number of people who return to society. And this is my reference. Thank you for listening my presentation.